scared of this. Time to time, this part falls out when I open the boot. So I took a look to the rubber ends, and those ones are damaged, and those ones should match with pins at the sides of the frame. I jump into Autodesk Inventor to model something kind of a bushing that was going to make a snap fit or a click against the pin, or at least that was the intention. Then send it to 3D print. I got beautiful parts, tiny parts by the way. I did the mounting of the parts, but something went wrong. One got broke and the other one was damaged. So I was wondering, what if I tried to simulate this in Autodesk Nastran? So I jumped into the software and got good results. Even if the material is an isotropic material, different from the 3D printed one that has some layers, and also the orientation of 3D print was not helpful because of the forces that it was going to have. But using the right material, ABS, and using the right settings for the type of material, I got to make this beautiful simulation. Passing of the yield point on a plastic part, having permanent deformation. So I did the push and then take it off in the simulation, of course, and the permanent deformation still's there. So I'm pretty happy with this. But now the question is if this is going to be valid as well for a 3D printed part in a more difficult situation, having more stresses or having another type of loads. If we are capable to make a simulation for confirm that the 3D printed part is going to survive. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.